Welcome to Slim Thick Curls, Beauty and Lifestyle. Hey Sunshines, welcome back to Slim Thick Curls. In today's video, we are going to tackle underneath my kitchen sink. Right now, what you see, it's not the cutest, it's not organized by any means, but believe it or not, it was actually worse than this. This is actually me doing this the second go round. I actually came in and decluttered everything prior to filming this video, only because we ended up having a leak down underneath the sink. So you're going to see me clean it with this Method wood cleaner here, but you can see that there are some spots that the wood was starting to get damaged. So I am going to come in here a little bit later on in the video and I'm going to put a liner down because we are waiting to get the leak fixed. So in today's video, I'm going to show you two different versions of how I organize underneath my sink. One is going to be while we are trying to make it through the leaking process, and the other one is after the leak has been resolved. Now here I have gone shopping. I purchased these full circle glass bottles from the Container Store only because they had a really good sale on them. Normally I'll get them from Amazon or HomeGoods, but again, I got 6 of these. The other 3 are on the other end of the table, so we'll be filling those up a little bit later. And from HomeGoods, I got this glass container with this faux wood top. I actually have 2 of them. This is the small one, and this is the larger one. And of course, I had to go to one of my favorite stores, Target, aka Target. And yes, I said it in that order. But I ended up getting some more of the Brightroom organization bins. If you've watched any of my organization videos, you know that I love Brightroom line. And also from Target, I went and got their Threshold Appleton Spice Rack, which we are not going to be putting any spices in here, but that is going underneath the sink. I also have this Lazy Susan that we're going to use, and if you can't tell, there is a theme with the black and the wood. From IKEA, I love their sponges, so we are going to have to definitely stock up and put some of those underneath the sink as I use them all the time. Down here, this is the mat that I was telling you guys about that I'm going to use later on in the video. I couldn't decide if I wanted white or black, but just decided to go with the black to make it a little moody underneath the sink. Now this ceramic canister I got from Aldi, great find. And this is my other Brightroom bin that I'm going to use as well. Now this one is a little bit larger than the first one that I showed you. So these are all the bins and containers that we are going to use from the Container Store, Target, and from HomeGoods and Amazon. So if you are interested in any of these items, I will have the linkable ones linked below. You know, with HomeGoods, you can't really link things all the time. I don't understand it, just like a starry day. This brand new orbit is where I wanna stay. I love me a good label, so definitely had to incorporate that. Now, I will say that I don't label everything, not just for underneath the sink. With any organization that I'm doing, I don't believe everything needs to be labeled. Certain things, yes, but if it's like an easy go-to and you know exactly what it is, it doesn't necessarily need a label. Now, these glass containers, they definitely needed a label because I don't want to go mixing up and confusing any type of cleaning products. We need to make sure we're using the right thing at the right time for the right things. The glass bottles are aesthetically pleasing to me, but yet also functional because I only took 6 of my top products that I'm going to be using all the time, but as you can see here, I didn't put everything into a separate container. A lot of things stayed in the containers that they came in. And here I'm just storing my cleaning cloth and my dish sponges. James Brown, you gotta get up to get down. Dopamine And now it's time to put everything back underneath the sink and have it to be functional for my husband and I. As you saw, we have this black bucket in the back. Again, as I stated, we have an issue where things are leaking, so we have to use that until we're able to get it fixed. And voila, it has been fixed. So I just went back to the store, got another Brightmore container, and we're going to fill her up with these items. And I have to add some lights. So I have lights all over my house. And I know this is underneath the sink, but it's also dark underneath the sink. So even though it's organized, I want to make sure that we can see everything. And they are motion censored. That looks so much better. We can see everything, we can grab everything, but the last thing that we have to do is add our paper towel holder. Now, I'm putting this down here because I just did like a little refresh over our kitchen and I no longer wanted to have the paper towel on the counter. So down here it goes. All right, sunshines, that is all that I have for you lovely people in this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Slim Thick Curls. And most importantly, don't forget to stay true and be you. Until next time, toodles. Mwah.